Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials: device specs, enough free storage, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, back up your account data to avoid loss and enroll in the beta via the official test channel. This avoids mismatched builds. Then, enable installation from unknown sources only if the APK is official. This prevents sideload errors. Make sure battery is above 50% before installing. Interruptions cause corrupt installs, and keep the App Store open for any linked permissions. You now remove any stable or unmatched versions. Signature conflicts are the most common blocker. Once removed, install the beta APK or accept the test update. Watch for permission prompts and grant storage, microphone, and network as needed. After install, clear cache and app data to remove residual settings, then launch with graphics set to low. This prevents crashes on first run. If the client requests an asset download, prioritize Wi-Fi and watch progress to confirm no partial files remain. You finish by verifying your account login and syncing cloud saves. Mismatched regions cause match failures, so set the correct server. Run a short practice match to confirm stability, noting FPS, lag, and any error codes. If the beta crashes, collect logs via the developer options or in-game bug reporter, then submit them with steps to reproduce. This speeds fixes. Finally, if nothing works, roll back to the stable build and reinstall the beta later. Preserve your backups and keep the report handy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.